to my channel. It's your girl frizzeecurlz back again with another YouTube video. So listen, I'm tired of these locks. I like them for a little bit, but if y'all know me, y'all know that I do not keep protective styles in my hair too long, okay? So before these locks, I had my box braids. I had my box braids in for about 2 months, and then I've changed them to these faux locks, and I've had these faux locks probably 2 weeks. Yeah, I've had these in for a little over 2 weeks now. They actually had like maybe 4 days left in them. I was gonna take them out in 4 days, but y'all, when I tell y'all I miss my hair so much, like I never thought I was going to miss doing my hair. So what I'm about to do today is take the little decorations off of my faux locks and cut these holes out my head. My hair might be a little damaged because if y'all don't know, my hair is actually blue. That was the last color I dyed my hair, and honestly, since I dyed it, like not too long after I did that, I put a protective style in my hair. So I haven't really been able to take care of my hair in its blue dyed state because it's been covered up in box braids and faux locks. So this really just a test to see like how good my hair is and how my hair loves me, because I'm expecting my hair to be trash after I wash it, but hopefully the products that I use today will do me right. If y'all hadn't seen my box braid tutorial or my faux locks tutorial, go ahead and check them out. You know, they was cute or whatever. But yeah, it's just been entirely too long. Like the day I finished my box braids was like June 1st. We're approaching September, so... But anyway, let me go ahead and finish taking these little decorations out, and then we're going to get into cutting these things off. And, well, we're going to cut them out. I'm not cutting them off. I'm going to cut them from the ends and unravel them, take out the box braid that's in there. All of this hair is going in the trash. I'm not saving a thing. The only thing I'm saving is these decorations. So yeah, let me just go ahead and take all these out. I'm sure y'all don't really care to hear what I have to say. So, BRB. Okay, y'all, so I probably already said it if I didn't cut it out, but I'm just about to take these locks, cut them at the ends, and you know, just unravel them. My hair isn't as long, so I probably could cut like half of it off, but I'm gonna just start at the ends because towards the middle and the front of my hair, I really don't know how long my hair is anymore. It's definitely shorter than the locks, but I don't want to cut my hair off just yet. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut these locks from the ends, and we're gonna see what my hair is looking like. My prediction is that my hair is gonna be super dry, but we're gonna revive it, God willing. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like after I took out my faux locks. Faux locks, taking down faux locks is like the easiest part of removing them. The hard part is the box braids because I have so many. It's like 65 or something like that. So I'm just going to be taking them out, and once they're taken out, you guys will see what my hair is looking like. So this is going to be a surprise to both you and me. Y'all, my hair is so short. I done cut my hair so much. But this wash and go might be hitting on something. Not the bang yang. The bang yang. Alright y'all, so this is what my hair is looking like now after I've taken out all of the lock hair and the box braids. My hair actually feels very soft still. Like it's a little crunchy because it's been in braids for so long, but my hair actually like feels really soft. So I really think this wash and go that I'm going to do is going to turn out really, really bomb. My hair definitely is still moisturized from the oil that I put on it underneath the box braids. So, you know, I'm just really excited to see how my hair is going to come out. So I'm actually going to do this in a separate video. I'm going to show you guys how I do my wash and goes, like for my wash day routines, and see what this wash and go is going to hit on. I have high hopes for it just because I see my hair now and it's nothing that I haven't seen before. I'm expecting for a bomb wash and go, so if y'all want to see that video, stay tuned. I will hopefully be posting that after this one. If not, you know, turn my post notifications on, cause period. But yeah, this was just showing you guys how my hair looks after taking the faux locks and the box braids out that I've had in my hair for like almost 3 months now. Ain't really much else to say. This is what my hair looking like. So yeah, thank y'all for watching today, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.